Afternoon everyone, and welcome to the August 2024 update at Moongate Antigua. Standing here beside the fast progressing kitchen and back of house space for catering. It'll be topped by a flat roof which will give Chef his kitchen garden. So standing here on the sun terrace of the western swimming pool with the foundation excavation in front of me, the restaurant running right across in the mid-ground with the concrete blocks, and then the eastern swimming pool with all of the terraces surrounding all of these buildings and spaces. So fantastic to see how they all relate to each other now and how they will give our guests such an excellent place to relax, enjoy and concentrate on their wellness. So since our last visit, we see in block 5 all the way up to the penthouse level, and then in block 6 and block 7 we're casting the 3rd level, so those will also be heading up to the 4th level and plunge pool the next time we talk. Right in the center here is the main reception hall. When you arrive at Moongate, you will come up right into the tree area and enter the reception hall where you'll meet our hospitality colleagues for the first time. We finally get to start talking about resorts, guests, and how it'll feel to be here. And how you will leave all your troubles behind and enjoy our famous Antiguan hospitality. Since last month, it's been exciting with lots of arrivals of equipment and back of house things, all of which will enhance the guest experience while they're with us. So water plants, standby generators, all the back of house equipment starting to arrive, and furniture containers arriving in early October. It's been a pleasure to update you again. I look forward to seeing you all in September. And until then, take care and be well.